Aptera released a video a few days ago concerning its launch edition vehicle, and again they released another video just a couple days later, where they had Sandy Munro explain everything we needed to know about the launch edition vehicle. It was his first time seeing it, and he seemed to be quite pleased with the Aptera. Let's see what he had to say. Hi, this is Echo Electric, where we talk about all things concerning EVs. Remember to like the video. If you're enjoying our content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay connected. Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost 2 siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you'll want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. Munro made many suggestions for Aptera to switch to castings with extrusions, and he can see that the newest Aptera design is doing so and is better than he had hoped. He was quite pleased with what was happening with the Aptera frame. This is exactly what he hoped for. Aptera decided on casting with extrusions after discussing several options. There will be a crash beam that is rather tough. The car's body will be shipped from Italy, and the battery pack will be installed inside the vehicle. The outside of the car hasn't been altered significantly. Possibly some fine-tuning is taking place. Sandy Munro loves the vehicle's overall shape. The Aptera car is outfitted with solar panels all over it, and it extracts energy from the sun in every manner it can. Solar panels cover the front, center, and back of the structure. Aptera is the type of vehicle that allows you to transport anything you need. There is plenty of space in the rear to spread out and sleep. Sandy Munro is 5'10" tall and has plenty of space. I believe the back trunk is somewhat shorter than 7 feet, 84 inches. There's a yoke steering wheel and no obstruction on the front view. According to Sandy Munro, everything inside the automobile looks amazing. On extended rides, there is a webbing on the seats to keep you from being hot. The Aptera, particularly the 1,000-mile variant, will let you travel vast distances. It's possible that you'll never need to charge using that version. There are open-framed cup holders at the front of the car. Every pound or gram added to the car affects range and mileage. Therefore, Aptera is working hard to keep the vehicle as light as possible. Sandy Munro enjoyed what he saw and believes Aptera will be a major winner. He can't wait to get his hands on it. What are your thoughts on Aptera? Will they be a major winner? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this coming in the future. And if you feel touched to contribute to Lewin's treatment, don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page in the description below. Thank you, and thanks for watching.
Hey boys and girls, thank you for watching this little slide presentation that Aptera has given me. This is going to be exciting for me. I haven't had a chance to look at this thing yet. I'm loving this already. We made a lot of suggestions to go to castings with extrusions, and I can tell that this is an extrusions. This is better than what I was hoping for. I'm really happy with what they've got going on here. This is absolutely what I was hoping for. We talked a variety of different methods and stuff like that. This is the one that I like. I'm delighted. And here we got another look. This would be the front, and so we're looking at the crash beam here, which is an extrusion. You can see that it's going to be plenty rugged. There's no question about that. Oh, and here's the body that's going to be coming in from. It's going to be coming in from Italy, and you can see here that the battery pack is going to be fed up inside. The Aptera vehicle hasn't changed a heck of a lot. There's probably fine tuning that's been done here that probably won't show up, but I'm in love with the general shape of the vehicle. Yeah, so now you can see solar panel, solar panel. Oh, they got them on the IP and solar panels. So any way that you can suck energy out of the sun is being taken advantage of in the new design. And this looks a little different here too. So anyway, I'm really happy. I don't think it needs a moonroof. I think that the solar panels are much better idea. This is the kind of a vehicle where you can either drag it around your surfboard or your skis or what have you, and actually sleep in the thing. I mean, I've already stretched out in the back of this. Works for me. I'm not 10 foot tall either, but at the end of the day, if it'll work for somebody who's 5'10", I'm sure it's going to work for other people as well. I like this. I see some sort of a cavern here. Maybe that's for extra stowage. And there we go. So my favorite kind of steering wheel. This way I don't have something blocking my view all the time. I absolutely love this. Everything here just looks hunky-dunky. I can't really tell, but this looks like cloth and then some sort of an insert, probably web or something like that to keep you from getting overheated, which is a good idea for long trips. And you will be able to take long trips in this. And another view, now you can see the cup holders here and they're open frame, which I kind of like. I mean, every pound that you have to put, or every kilo that you put into even grams, every gram you put into a car is less mileage. So I'm glad to see what we've got going on here. There we have it. Thanks so much, Aptera, for letting me be a part of your launch. I really like everything I see. I think that you're going to have a big winner. I can hardly wait to get mine. Thank you. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Steve. And thanks everybody at Aptera.